It's so fast, the local fighter jets ran home scared. But how well can a 2-ton car handle? The first thing I wanted to test was the traction control system.
With so much power, the ESP really does need to be good if amateurs are going to start flooring it. Full lock, floor it. Full throttle, nothing, 100 horsepower, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. I'll call it quick, just a bit of understeer. Floor it, full throttle, nothing. It won't give. I can't get into trouble. I'm trying to get into trouble, but I can't. Hard on the brakes, ABS clicking, then obviously if I turn in too fast I can just plough off the road, but now if I'm stupid with the throttle, it'll do no harm. So even the most stupid, reckless person cannot get into much of a mess, apart from just going into a corner way too quick. And for that, there's no solution ever been invented. Go on, slide, go on. And how about a left and a right? ESP going off all the time, and it still changed direction. 2 tons changing direction like that.
I was staggered. I never thought it possible that the electronics could be so sophisticated to rein in all that power. To enjoy a Veyron, you need to be rich, but you don't need to be a good driver.
So the final question has to be, just how good is the chassis hidden away by the ESP? Well, they tried to hide the ESP button, but I found it where it is. And it's just down somewhere. I got it there. Now, we're going to unleash 1,000 horsepower with no safety net. We actually have the Bugatti people standing just on my left watching this, so we're being a bit tentative. Down in the hairpin, first gear, 1,000 horsepower. It's quite controllable, Flick. Now I've got to open the throttle very gingerly. I tell you what, and this is even more unexpected. The chassis is actually pretty well balanced underneath all this brute force and huge weight. That was quite a nice balanced power slide. Great steering feel, light, loads up when you need it to load up. Brake pressure always there. So this is the big surprise. The fastest car in the world is also one of the easiest cars in the world. This Bugatti Veyron really is a car of extraordinary capabilities, and there are 2 very good reasons why I don't want to switch it off. Firstly, because I just want to keep on driving it, and secondly, because when you do switch it off, every Veyron beams back the speed you've been doing to the factory. So I better keep going then.